Hi my friend, my name is Giuseppe Manzoli. I am a professional private chef, and in this video we are going to make together this beautiful trout ceviche. Trout ceviche is very tasty and is amazing. A few seconds and we start this ceviche from scratch, and you can learn with me. So are you going to have a look how to make from scratch this ceviche, and we start here. So I took a fresh trout, I dice it, and I frozen. I put in freezer for at least 12 hours. This prevent me to have any microbes in the fish if there are some. And then I've got these beautiful vegetables, and that I will list in the video below what I'm using. But first of all, after that we take the ceviche out from the freezer and is frozen, we are going to fill up with fresh juice, lemon and lime juice, as you can see here. And you move these dice often, right? And we are keeping the fish in this lime and lemon juice for about 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. Because remember, we are taking the fish out from the freezer and it's still frozen. After 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, we can drain it, and we have this beautiful blend of fish and lemon together. So meanwhile the fish is cooking in the lemon, you are going to prepare the vegetables. You are going to prepare all the vegetables. Here peppers, I've got chives, I've got fennel, I've got red onion, and avocado, beautiful fresh avocado. So you prepare your fresh vegetables. You have your trout is in the lime, in the lemon cooking, and after 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, so you check the meat, you taste one, so you are able to drain it like this. You drain it, and you take all the liquid out, and after 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, it must be ready. So now you salt the trout with maldon salt, and you add olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and you mix it. You make nice, beautiful together this lemon and salt. And then you add your fresh ingredients. That here I didn't use it, but you can add also vinegar. You can add a touch of vinegar, and I think it will be nice. What I'm using in this ceviche is a fresh rocket. I love this bitterness of the rocket among with the sweet of the tomato and the yellow peppers, and it will be very nice and very tasty. So this is pretty much how you can do this beautiful fresh dish that you can use as a starter, or you can use as a hummus bush as well, or as a little canapé if you want, on top of a nice bruschetta as a canapé, and then you are prettying up as you want. And I guarantee it's super tasty, it's amazing, and it doesn't really taste really fishy. It's not really fishy. It's gorgeous, and it's full of good nutrients. Okay, keep in touch, and please, if you like this video, share the video with your friends, like and subscribe to my channel. I will show you more videos of what I learned through the years of my cookings. Okay, keep in touch. Giuseppe, please like, share and subscribe. Giuseppe.